What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel for another episode of the Pop Whisper and the Box of Mystery. And today we have a mystery box from Blizzard. So everyone knows Blizzard makes Overwatch and they own Activision, so they make Call of Duty. And so this is a mystery box and we're just gonna get right into it. I'm not sure what exactly, let me move this mic real quick, what exactly is in this box. I'm not sure. I really don't know. I ordered it and I have no idea, so that's what makes it a mystery. Let's have some fun. I'm gonna open it right now. Let's get right to it. Cool, we got the best friend right here and we're just gonna go for it. It was very safe. I just know that there's like at least one pop in here, at least. And then I think like a shirt. Okay. We're in there. We got the bubble wrap. Okay, oh wow, I see 3 pops in here. Oh, this is actually pretty dope. Okay, so we got a common Pharah. I used to main Pharah back in the day. Yes, this is a common. Alright, so Pharah's cool. She's alright. She's alright. Stop playing with her. She got kind of spammy a little bit. There. Let's see what else we got. Is this May? Is this one of May's little? No, it's not. Oh, it's a Pachimari. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I remember these guys. These guys are in the game. I've played Overwatch in a minute. I'm sad about Overwatch 2. I don't know where the state of the game is going. What is this? Oh, it's a 6-pin pack. There's 6 pins in here. No way. No way. We'll get to that. Let's see what else is in here. What? There's 6. What is this? A badge booster pack. There's 18 Velcro badges in here. Okay, okay. What is this? Oh, these are cool. These are cool. They're like little, yeah. Okay. And then I see a common Junkrat. Okay, Junkrat is so spammy. Can't stand it. Don't talk to me if you like Junkrat. And I'm just kidding. I never used them, to be honest. I just never was into that. Okay. Okay, we got an exclusive Reaper. Okay. He's fire. Reaper always has the dopest skins. Okay, that's lit. Dang, that's fire. Oof. That's fire. A little thinged up on the folded part. I think they don't care. I think they just put a bunch of mystery boxes together. I think this is still on the site. I think. I don't know. But this is fire. I like Reaper like as a character. It's pretty dope. He always has the dopest skins. His best one is the mariachi skin. I don't know if that's a pop, but they need to make that a pop. So let's go to the pin pack right now. This is actually pretty exciting. My favorite character is Soldier 76, by the way, if you guys don't know. I have like all his pops. Had to. Okay. So it says there's 6. Oh no, it's the 6 series. Okay. I'm assuming that's Lucio. It's one of Lucio's skins. Break it down. I got some Lucios in the back too. That's what's up. I collect pins. I love pins. A lot. Let's get this. Okay, so it's a badge. So I guess there's 18 badges and it says 3 badges per. Okay. So yeah, nothing else in here. Okay, cool. 3 badges. What are these? Let's take a look. Oh, these are fire. These are fire. PK fire. No, okay, these are fire. Don't know what to put these on. I don't know. We gotta see what I can do with these. And then let's see what else. Oh yeah. So last, we got these like little mini figures, cute but deadly Overwatch edition, series 3. Are these sealed? Super sealed? Oh yeah. Just opening it. I don't know if there was any like safe way to open it. No, there wasn't. Come on. Ah. Ooh. It's a mystery. Mystery on a mystery. Oh gosh, I'm gonna open this away from the mic. Away. I know it's still very loud though. Alright. The soldier! Let's go! Oh man. I think this is the winter skin too. I didn't get it that one season. I forgot what season it was. The voice actor passed away, and I know he did like the Hulk, and he did Dom in Gears of War, I believe. No, sorry, he did Baird in Gears of War, and great voice actor, and he'll be missed, man. It's just got me a little emotional when I found out, just because of I always heard his voice when I was playing video games. Dude, I got a soldier. Let's go. But yeah, sorry, that got me like a little emotional right there, just because of I main soldier, and yeah, that's so awesome. That's so awesome. But I'm thankful. This was a cool little box. It really was. I wasn't expecting too much. 3 pops. I was like, wow, no. I'm glad I got one exclusive in there. All Overwatch, and it's just I don't know where the state of the game is. I haven't played Overwatch in a while. Hoping Overwatch 2 comes out soon and that it's very good. But I don't know. I just gotta keep my hopes up. I hope everyone has a great rest of your night or day whenever you're watching this. I appreciate you guys. Merry Christmas.